Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to remove an image style in PowerPoint. Let's get straight into it. First, click on the image that has the style you want to remove. You'll see selection handles appear around the edges. Those are the small white circles or boxes that show the image is selected. At the same time, a new tab will appear in the ribbon at the top called Picture Format. This tab only shows up when you have an image selected, so if you don't see it, your image isn't selected yet. Just click it again. Now look up at the ribbon and find that Picture Format tab. Click on it to open it. On the left side of this tab, you'll see a section called Adjust. Inside that section, there's a button labeled Reset Picture. It'll have a small drop-down arrow next to it. Click that drop-down arrow to see your options. You'll see two choices in the menu that appears. The first one is just Reset Picture, and the second is Reset Picture and Size. Here's the difference. If you choose Reset Picture, it removes all the formatting, so the style, any effects, borders, shadows, reflections, all of that disappears, but your image keeps whatever size and cropping you've applied to it. If you choose Reset Picture and Size, it strips away everything and takes the image right back to how it looked when you first inserted it, including the original dimensions and any cropping you did. Pick whichever one fits what you need. As soon as you click it, the image will instantly revert, you'll see the style vanish, and the picture return to its clean, unformatted state. The image stays exactly where it is on the slide, just without all that extra formatting. A few quick notes. The reset happens immediately, so if you're not sure which option to use, you can always undo it with Ctrl-Z or Command-Z and try the other one. Also, keep in mind that if you've made other edits to the image since you last saved your presentation, those will be removed too when you hit reset. And once you're happy with how it looks, make sure to save your presentation so the changes stick. Thanks for watching. If this helped, I'll see you in the next video.